Hey everybody, how's it going? This is not a video on Project Corvette right now, but what we do have is a new toy. We ordered a GM Tech2 scan tool here. It just came in. UPS just dropped it off. We got it off eBay. So it's one of the Chinese clones, and what we're going to do in this video is just an unboxing of what it is. What comes in the box. I'll post the eBay ad I bought it from right here. Alright, so that's the ad. Got this off of eBay. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see what's in the box. I love my new toys. I've been wanting one of these things for the longest time. So, figured now's the time. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Must be the knockoff candy module, whatever it's called. Serial port wire. A bunch of different OBD connectors. There we go. We have, this would be a power cable if you want to hook it up to the battery of the car. Has the two things here. What's this one? Oh, this one's in a box. Alright, this one we could plug into an extension cord. That's good. For this particular, I'd rather do that. And here we go. I've been wanting one of these for at least 50. Oh, wait a minute, we got more here. That's serial, whatever, I don't know, telephone cable style thing here. I think I use this one programming. A module, I forget. We also have, cigarette lighter plug. Whatever this little thing is. Let's see, where's the, there we go. Not really sure. We get a disc. Not bad. And here we go. I've always drooled over one of these things. Since they came out. They used to be big money, or I couldn't afford them back in the day. But now that we got Chinese clones here, I can afford one. Kind of. Oh yeah. Feels nice. Not bad at all. I wonder if it has the GM card in here. Oh. Yeah, it's like the old, remember, not 5.5, 3¼ inch floppy disk? Let's see. There it is. GM. 32 megabytes. I was about to say gigabytes. I don't try finding anything that's megabytes anymore. Let's put it back in. Hope I did it right. Thing for the steering wheel. Hang it up. Alright. Let's take a closer look at it. So hold on. Alright, so this stuff we're not going to touch right now. Like I said, this video was more for today. Just an unboxing video. Just to see what's in here. So we have our cables. We got everything we need there. Same thing. They got fuses. This is the clamps for the battery to power up the unit right here. Has fuses in it. That's nice. All the different connectors. We got a lot of different ones here. Alright. We got those. Serial cable. We got that. There goes this stuff right here. And we got stickers to put on here and here, it looks like. So let's set the camera up and we'll make it's an easy day for me. We'll just put some stickers on. So, hold on. Alright. Let's take a look and see what stickers we got. You know, you got to find quality product, and you got to put your own stickers on. Let's take a look here. We got a candy. We got a Tech2. I wonder if that goes there. Looks it. Candy serial number. Tech2 VCI module. I don't know what the VCI module is. Who knows? And another candy sticker. Alright, let's yeah, I guess we'll go with this one first. This is pretty whoa. Alright, I'm not going to make you guys watch me put stickers on. We'll just show it all at the end. Alright guys, we're back at it. You know, the stickers went on. Nice high quality stickers. Candy right here. But we have a major issue going on here. I have the sticker for the VCI module. I have this. I'll put the ad in. It shows the picture of the VCI module in right here. Alright, after looking it up, I'm really a little confused whether it should have came with the VCI or not. It might be built into the unit here, I don't know. But what I'm going to do is send the seller a message, find out what the story is. Am I supposed to have the VCI or not, if it's needed. But I did read it's used a lot for Ford cars. I guess you can use this on a Ford. I don't know. That was what Google AI told me. I'll put a quick screenshot of that in right here. Yeah, so there we go. We got everything. So this video is going to end. We'll try to keep this short. And when we power it up and we get to play with it on this old Vet right here, we'll give it a shot and see what happens. And hopefully it meets my expectations. I always wanted one of these, especially back in the 90s. It would have been great to have one of these back then. I mean, I got a nice Autel Maxi over there. I think it pretty much does everything. A lot what this can do, but this can also program like a BCM, a PCM. You know what I mean? It could do programming that Autel doesn't have the capability to do. So yeah, let's next video we'll take a look at this thing. We'll power it up, and I'm a rookie with it, so we'll learn together on it. And we'll go from there. So we'll see you guys later, and bye-bye.